Hey boys and girls, it looks like another at-home learning day, so I wanted to share one of my favorite wintertime stories with you. It's called Bear Snores On. At home, get your fingers ready. I wiggle my fingers, I wiggle my toes, I wiggle my shoulders, I wiggle my nose. Now no more wiggles are left in me. I will sit as still as can be. Listening ears turned on. Voices turned off. Hands in your lap, just like at school. All right, what part of the book is this? Front cover, back cover, and spine. Let's see what happens in Bear Snores On. Look at this first page. Wonder what season it might be. It looks a lot like what we have outside right now. In a cave in the woods, in a deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Listen for some rhyming words as we go through our story. Howl, growl. An itty-bitty mouse pitter-patter tiptoe crawls in the cave from the cold fluff snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coal pit pops and the wind doesn't stop, but Bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare pops in. "Oh," Mouse says, "Hare, long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. What do you think it means to brew? Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But what's Bear do? Bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But what's Bear do? Bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Don't forget to listen for those rhyming words and see if you can find them. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chit and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Mouse stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper flick makes the bear, it lands on his nose. Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh. They woke up the bear. Do you think he'll be angry? Oh, look at his face. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. I think he's upset. You snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none. He whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, he gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end. Did you like my story? I hope so. Clap for our story like we always do. I hope to see you all very soon. Bye.